How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without cable. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android without cable. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, on your iPhone, you have to simply launch WhatsApp and go to settings at the bottom right. Then you need to tap on chats and then select chat backup. To back up all your chats, you have to simply click on backup now. So once you have simply tap on chat backup, you need to simply back up all your chats and click backup now. For individual chats, you can choose export chat as well. Once the complete process has been done, you need to simply sign in to your Android phone with the same email or phone number. During the setup, you need to select the chat backup option. For that, you can hit your three dots, go to the settings. Now scroll down, open chats, and then simply tap chat backup, and then your chats will be restored. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chats are now transferred from iPhone to Android without a cable. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.